Oh my goodness, is that a popsicle in a margarita? What is it, guys? It's the Popsicle Margarita. We put ice in our glass followed by some fresh tequila. Not the stale kind, the fresh kind, okay? Then we come behind that with a bit of triple sec. We pour. Fresh squeezed lime juice then follows that triple sec, just making our drink even more delightful. Squeeze away, boys and girls. Then we hit it with a bit of mango puree. When last have you had a good glass of mango puree? Shake. Most of you looking going, what the hell is mango puree? Okay, it's just like strawberry daiquiri mix, but it's the mango version. Okay, so we rim our glass with salt and lime. Beautiful, creating a nice salt rim. Coarse salt, okay? Not the kind you cook with typically. Okay, ice in our glass. The regular cooking salt is too salty. Okay, and we pour, and then we grab a mango popsicle and put that bad boy in there, and it's good to go.